Hey everyone, so I am going to talk today continue to talk about the mania, although I think now that I can safely say that it's now disappearing. I'm still getting up early, but I've got my suspicions that in actual fact I like getting up early. I like getting up at that time in the morning now. It's kind of made me like it, if you like, because I can get a lot done. I can do things, everybody's asleep and I'm free to do what I want. And the reason that I think it's gone was I was able to meditate yesterday. I tried to meditate on Monday and I just couldn't. Hearing voices, and as I tried to meditate, or put me off. Same kind of voices I hear when I'm trying to go to sleep at night time. And it wasn't possible. It was like somebody had wired me up to the mains and my body was just full of electricity, so I wasn't able to meditate on Monday. However, on Friday, yesterday, I was able to meditate for 20 minutes. I was calm, I was peaceful, and I didn't have that kind of feeling of anxiety or having to do things in a rush, or that kind of feeling of electricity running through your body. That was all gone. So I'm pretty pleased with that. I'm just a bit concerned that with the end, sorry I'm sweating here, I've just been cutting the grass, with the end of the mania, it may come into depression, although it didn't the last time I had mania, so fingers crossed that doesn't happen this time, because when it does happen at the end of mania you tend to go very low. So hopefully that the new combination of drugs is going to help to stop that, or at least cause it kind of not to go as low. So speaking of the drugs, I've been taking sertraline now for a week on 50 milligrams. On Monday night I go to 100 milligrams, and yeah, that's been good, and that means I'll come down to 37.5 of venlafaxine, which has been tough taking venlafaxine. And I thought about this the other day, and I'm annoyed that they never told me the risks in taking it. I've done more research on it in the last week, and some of it's pretty horrific, the things that people suffer from when trying to come off this drug. And I was never told that at the time, and I wish I had been, because if I had been then, I would have said no to it. To be honest, I don't even know why they changed me onto that drug. Oh no, I do. I was taking citalopram at the time, and there's been a link between citalopram and lithium and irregular heartbeats, so I was moved on to venlafaxine. However, I'm coming off it now. Having trouble sleeping this week because I was still in the kind of period of mania. I'm not entirely sure that the drugs didn't cause that. I have been told that I would go up and down while I was coming off it. I had not a bad sleep on Tuesday night. I can't remember if it was Tuesday or Wednesday while I took the Zopiclone. But it didn't leave in night. It wasn't a nice feeling. I think it was Thursday night I took it, and it wasn't a very nice feeling the next day. Even though it has a half-life of only 5 hours, I still felt it the next day. I was drowsy, sleepy. Well, they took the same things, but I just didn't like it. So I've taken one, and I won't be taking any more. So until the next time, we'll talk more about meditation. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.